Sometimes all the tips and tricks in the Wi-Fi world can't help you. You might be experiencing symptoms such as dropped connection outside your home, the need to turn off your media streaming box when you want to play an online game, or worse yet, slow surfing even while you are sitting just a few rooms away from your router. Hello everyone and welcome to the unboxing and review video of TP-Link AC1200 Mesh Wi-Fi router. So let's first unbox it and then we will talk about its features and its specifications. The Archer C6 used a textured glossy black enclosure and has 4 non-removable antennas. Along the top front edge are LED status indicators for power, both radio bands, Ethernet, Internet and WPS. WPS is Wi-Fi protected setup. Well, we must say that this TP-Link Archer is a dual band router designed for users on a budget. Despite its affordable price, it offers a few features found on more expensive routers, such as support for MU-MIMO data streaming and 4GB LAN ports. And the rear panel holds reset, power and WPS buttons, as well as 4GB LAN ports and a WAN port and a power jack. We connected the router to our modem and to our desktop PC, then we powered it up and we typed 192.168.0.1 in our browser's address bar, which takes us to the quick setup screen. Here we are creating an administrator password, setting the time zones and using auto-detect to select the internet connection type. We use the default SSID names and passwords, then we clicked next to save these settings, and the installation has completed. The Archer C6 router is powered by the 750 MHz SoC processor. It can reach maximum data rates of up to 300 Mbps on the 2.4 GHz band and up to 867 Mbps on the 5 GHz band. So these were the overall specifications and features about the product. Now let's see how you can install it. Well, you can use the TP-Link Tether mobile app to access basic wireless and security settings, enabling and disabling parental control, run basic diagnostics and configure guest networking. But you will have to use the web portal to access advanced settings. The web portal opens to a network map that displays the number of wired and wireless clients and your internet status. Up top are quick setup, basic and advanced tabs, and on left is a setting menu. The basic menu includes internet, wireless, parental controls, guest network and TP-Link cloud setting. Parental controls let you create profiles for family members where you can block access to certain sites using keywords, set internet time limits and review all the visited sites. The TP-Link Cloud lets you manage your network and your client devices from anywhere via the internet, and guest networking lets you create a separate network with separate SSIDs and passwords for guests. And advanced settings also includes internet, wireless, parental controls and guest network settings, as well as quality of services, QoS, security, NAT forwarding, IPv6 and VPN server settings. The Archer A6 offers system tools that let you update firmware, backup and restore system settings, schedule automatic reboots, view system logs and view network traffic statistics. So this is it for this video. We also avail the link of the same TP-Link AC1200 router in the description box of this video, just in case you would love to check out one for yourself. So if you like this video, then hit the like button and do share this with everyone. See you soon in a very new video with some more pieces of information and gadget reviews like this. So this is Divya from Tech Unity Studio. Catch you soon. Till then, goodbye. Take care.